So in this video, we're going to make sure your derailleur hanger guard is straight and it's not touching your derailleur in the smallest gear. Okay? We're also going to make sure that your derailleur, my Phillips screwdriver for pointing instead of my fat finger, the derailleur hanger itself, which is this silver part attached to the frame that the derailleur attaches to, is straight. Okay? So if this is not touching your derailleur, okay, the guard here is not touching your derailleur in the smallest gear, which it should have a little bit of a gap like that, okay, and your derailleur hanger is straight like this, and your bike is still misshifting, you'll look at another video we're going to be making, okay, but the reason we make this video is sometimes during shipping, this is pushed in, okay, the bike will take a drop on its side here or something during an animal shipping it, okay, and if that is just bent in, it'll stop your derailleur from shifting down into this little gear, okay, and it'll misshift along the way. All you do then is just pull it out, okay. If it's still not working, we need to make sure that that hanger is straight. If that hanger is not straight, stop right away and call us. All right, that's about it for right now. And then if it's still not shifting, you'll let us know. We'll ship you a next video. But you should be all good. Thank you.